Hi, my name is Claudia and I work for the Region of Waterloo Libraries, and today we're going to be showing you how to make this beautiful felt garland. So the materials you'll need for this craft are felt. We used 2 different pieces of each color to make 20 leaves, and then scissors, a marker, a leaf template or a real leaf, a hot glue gun, and twine, and a meter stick or a measuring tape. So our next step is to trace our leaf. So you're going to take your leaf template or your real leaf and you're just going to outline it with a Sharpie. We chose to do the same leaf the whole time, but if you have multiple leaf shapes that you'd like to do, that would look very nice as well. We chose to do our leaf on 5 different colors of felt, but if you only have a few fall colors of felt at home, that would look just as good. Even if you only had 1, it would be all right. So you're just going to trace your leaf and then cut it out and do your best to go along the lines. If you have some lines still showing at the end, that's all right too, because there'll be a back to your garland at the end of our leaf making. Okay, so once you have all your leaves cut, there's going to be 5 different colors like we have. We made 20 leaves total, and we made a pattern of these 5 colors repeating over and over through the garland there. Okay, so now we're going to be measuring our twine. So we did 3 meters and 40 centimeters because we wanted 15 centimeters between each leaf and 20 centimeters at the end. So like I said, we did 20 leaves. If you did only 15 leaves or 30 leaves, you could have a longer twine or a shorter twine. Just depends on how long you would like your garland to be. And you could also put more space between your leaves or less if you'd like. So once you have your twine measured, then you can take your meter stick or your measuring tape, and like I said before, we're doing 15 centimeters between each leaf there. So we have our hot glue gun warming up on the side, and you can just take your leaf and line it up with the ruler, and then you're going to want to put your hot glue on the back side. So if you can see any Sharpie, you're going to want to put it on that side there. And then you're just going to wrap that end of the leaf stem around the twine. And you're just going to be doing that over and over again until you fill up the garland. So each time you're going to do 15 centimeters, measure it, again, grab your hot glue, glue it on, wrap it around the twine, and do that all the way down through your leaf pattern. Okay, so once you've done all of your colors, you should have a pattern that kind of repeats. So like I said, we have 5 different colors, so we did our pattern of 5 here. And there's about 15 centimeters between each one so that it has a little bit of room, but it's okay if it's not exact. So this is our final product of our felt garland here. So we hope that you had fun making the felt garland. It'd be a great project to hang up somewhere in your home.